Hello, I am making a stew, a lamb stew. It's kind of like, has a little bit of influences of Mexican, maybe a little Mediterranean. I'm adding some bell peppers, and I basically sauteed in a little bit of oil. And the lamb is pretty fatty, so it's going to have some oils in its own. And then I'm going to add some potatoes. I'm going to puree some tomatoes. And then I'm going to add some spices to it and let it simmer. And then towards the end, add some cabbage and some zucchini. And it's going to be a delicious lamb. And I like using this cast iron skillet because it's pretty, it's got a lot of space in there. I don't want the soup too soupy. So it's going to have a lot of vegetables in there. And this is just the first part of it. And you want to get all that fond off. So you saute the meat first. And I'm going to cover it up and then add the veggies later.